I no longer buy blinds and shades. You won't believe it, but I make them myself in 10 minutes. They cost next to nothing. All you need is a roll of wallpaper. Measure out 210 centimeters from each edge of the roll. This length will be used for a window 1 meter high. Draw a line and cut the wallpaper at that point with scissors. Measure out 3 centimeters at the edges of one end. Draw a line and fold the wallpaper along it. Measure out another 3 centimeters and fold the wallpaper in the other direction. Continue folding the wallpaper in this manner. It will form an accordion-like pattern. Once the entire piece of wallpaper is folded, you'll have a pleated roll. Mark the center and drill a hole with a thin drill bit. Thread a string through the hole. Attach a string stopper to one end. Tie a loop to prevent the string from slipping out. On the other end of the wallpaper, attach the end of the string with adhesive tape. Do this on the side without the pattern. Take double-sided tape and stick it to the edge of the wallpaper where the end of the string is attached. Remove the protective tape and stick the blind to the upper window frame. And you're done. It only took a few minutes to make a beautiful pleated shade. You can adjust it with the string stopper. It beautifully decorates the window. It shields from light and neighbors' eyes. The string in the center allows for a beautiful fan effect at the bottom of the blind. Such a blind is stunning and unique. Cut a piece of pool noodle. Your home can gain a new look in just a few minutes. The effect will amaze every guest. Start by taking a piece of pool noodle, preferably with a hole in the center. It's a light and flexible roll that will serve as the base. Cut it along to create an open space. Once the roll is ready, grab the curtain in your hand, create a pleat, then insert the cut roll into the fold to hold it securely. Thanks to the soft foam that adheres to the fabric, you don't need any extra fastenings. Now choose your favorite decorative flowers that match your interior. The foam will allow you to easily insert the wires of the decorations, creating different compositions. Use flowers in different colors and sizes to give the decoration a unique character. In just a few minutes, you'll create an original decoration that will turn ordinary curtains into a beautiful display. It will surely catch the attention of your guests, and your curtains will gain a new look for little money. I keep flowers in the toilet tank. My family and guests are truly delighted. Start by carefully removing the top lid of the tank. Get your favorite flowers ready. Choose fresh, colorful blooms. Start with green stems and leaves. They will create the base that gives a natural look. If the stems are too long, trim them to fit. Now it's time for color. Place pink and red flowers into the tank. They'll add energy and brightness. Carnations work perfectly. Next, add a touch of sunshine. Yellow flowers will bring a cheerful, warm accent. The more flowers, the better. Add other colors too. Deep burgundy or purple will look great. This is a decoration no one will expect, but that's not all. To keep the arrangement fresh longer, add flower food to the water. Lightly spray all the flowers with your favorite perfume. The bathroom becomes not only colorful, but also sensual. Your guests won't believe it. Everything takes on character and color. You've never seen a decoration like this before. Surprise your friends with it. Start by preparing the tulips. Break the stem of each tulip near the bottom, just above the leaf. This is a key step to create a unique effect. Roll the stem and leaf into a spiral, just like I show in the video. Secure it with a pin to keep the shape. This way, the stem will look like a flower itself. Now prepare a floral foam block. Place it in a bucket of water and let it soak. Meanwhile, get a decorative bowl that will serve as the base. Once the foam is soaked, put it into the bowl. Add some decorative artificial moss around the bowl to give the arrangement a natural look. Now insert the prepared tulip stems around the edge, creating a frame. Stick each tulip into the floral foam, arranging them into a dense, full bouquet. Your unique decoration is ready. This arrangement will add style and freshness to your space, and it's very easy to make. You must try it. Florists will never tell you this trick. Your home will instantly get a whole new vibe. It's ridiculously simple. All you need is a large aluminum tray. Grab some colorful flowers, preferably ones that have already started to lose their freshness. Cut off just the flower heads straight onto the tray. Carnations, roses, or any other colorful blooms work great for this trick. Spread all the flowers evenly across the tray. Now it's time for plain water. Not too much, just enough to lightly dampen them. This keeps the petals from burning at high heat and helps them hold their shape. Place the tray in the oven. Set the convection setting to around 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Dry the flowers for about 1 hour. After that, you'll see a result that will surprise you. Perfectly dried, colorful flowers. But that's not all. Pour the dried flowers into a bowl or another glass container. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Place a tea light candle on top. Done. A beautiful natural decoration that costs nothing. Your home will smell amazing and look absolutely magical. The whole room will instantly fill with the scent of summer and the colors of a garden. Wrap a candle in foil and see the amazing effect you can achieve. This trick is simple but very effective. All you need is a regular white candle, preferably with a long wick. Wrap it in aluminum foil, leaving the ends exposed. Then, prepare a medium-sized jar so that the wick sticks out above the rim. Now, light the bottom of the candle to melt the wax. Once it becomes liquid, place the candle in the jar and press it down slightly. Wait for the wax to harden and make sure the candle is stable. Next, pour warm water into the jar and add a few cloves. The heat will intensify their aroma. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to give the candle a unique scent. Now, just light it. This candle will not only create a pleasant atmosphere, but also repel insects. Place it where you spend the most time and enjoy a relaxing, natural fragrance. Cut a piece of pool noodle. Your home can gain a new look in just a few minutes. The effect will amaze every guest. Start by taking a piece of pool noodle, preferably with a hole in the center. It's a light and flexible roll that will serve as the base. Cut it along to create an open space. Once the roll is ready, grab the curtain in your hand, create a pleat, then insert the cut roll into the fold to hold it securely. Thanks to the soft foam that adheres to the fabric, you don't need any extra fastenings. Now choose your favorite decorative flowers that match your interior. The foam will allow you to easily insert the wires of the decorations, creating different compositions. Use flowers in different colors and sizes to give the decoration a unique character. In just a few minutes, you'll create an original decoration that will turn ordinary curtains into a beautiful display. It will surely catch the attention of your guests, and your curtains will gain a new look for little money.